Hey Wargamers, Josh here with Wargames Delivered, and welcome back to part 2 of the Kreuzschützen Motorcycle Trooper. Thank you for joining us. Make sure you check us out on the web at www.wargamesdelivered.com, link in the description below. And while you're there, make sure you check out our buy 6, get 3 free promo. Without further ado, let's crack straight into it. We're going to start off with the color leather brown for the boots, and then we are going to move on to the color combat fatigues for the straps. After that, we are going to go ahead and move on to the color tanned flesh for the base tone of all of our fleshes. From here, we are going to use the color oak brown across the stock of the weapon, and make sure to check us out at www.wargamesdelivered.com and take advantage of the buy 6 get 3 promotion we've got running right now. We are going to move over to the color desert yellow for pouches and straps. Once again, make sure you check us out at www.wargamesdelivered.com. Make sure you take advantage of any of the promos we've got going on, including our buy 6, get 3 free on all of our Army Painter paints. We're going to use the color gunmetal here to fill in all the metallics on the firearm itself. We're going to use the color Necromancer Cloak here to fill in all the rubber for the tires. From here we are going to use a sponge lightly loaded up with the color gunmetal to simulate scratches and chips along the paint across all of the metal surfaces. We're going to go ahead and glue the rider into place. We're going to start off by lining the entire base of this miniature with some basing glue. This is a mixture of fine sand and ballast stone in a yellow stone color. We are going to go ahead and glue the miniature to the base. Thank you so much for sticking with me on this one. I know it was a little bit of a longer build as opposed to what I normally do, but I just wanted to thank you for sticking it out. I really enjoyed the way that this one turned out. Hope you guys had as much fun as I did. Make sure you check us out at www.wargamesdelivered.com, link in the description below. Make sure you grab that entry into the giveaway. And when you do head on over to wargamesdelivered.com, make sure you take advantage of the buy 6, get 3 free we have going on. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the tabletop.